Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to create postmodern art with OpenArt. So, let us begin. To start, open your web browser and visit openart.ai. If you already have an account, simply log in to access your personalized dashboard. Now, click on Create from Scratch. On the left side of the screen, you will discover a prompt field where your postmodern art ideas take shape. For instance, imagine crafting, generate a postmodern art composition that comments on the ever-expanding archive of information in the digital area, using AI to visualize data and information overload. Feel free to add a unique twist using a negative prompt. Once your prompt is set, just click Create. Now, behold the magic of OpenArt in action. And lo and behold, your postmodern art masterpiece is now complete. Click on the image to explore its intricate details. It's as easy as that. Your imagination transforms into postmodern art with just a prompt. Dive into a world of limitless creativity and craft thought-provoking pieces that dissect the digital era and information overload with OpenArt. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.